हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग। फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है? फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग इज टू कंबाइन अकाउंटिंग, फाइनेंस, बिजनेस मैट्रिक्स टू क्रिएट अ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द कंपनी इन एक्सेल एंड forecast it into the future. Now, come with the what are the uses of financial model? There are many uses of financial model like making business decision at a company. This is a first most important use of the financial model. Next, making investment in a private public company. Financial model is also used for making the investment. Next one is for pricing securities. And the last but not the least, financial model is also used to undergo a corporate transaction such as M&A, that is merger and acquisition. Now you will thought, who built the financial model? So there are people who professions and who build the financial model. There are many profession and the career path that require the financial modeling. And here are some of the common ones like investment banking analyst and associate. These are the people who build the financial model. And next one will be the equity research analyst and associate. And next will be pricing equity analyst and associate. They built financial models. And next one will be a credit analyst who also build a financial model. Now people, there is a very much scope of the financial modeling. F&P and A analysts and managers who also built the financial model, and corporate development analysts and the managers. So these are the some of the profession who build the financial model. Now, there will be a question for the people how to build a financial model. So, there are following steps that should be followed for building a financial model. First of all, we have to gather the historical data for the last 3 years. After that, calculate the ratio and the metrics like such as the margin, growth rate, asset turnover ratio, inventory changes, asset ratio. So these are the ratio to be calculated. After that, there are some to be assumption which are to be taken like belt ratio and the metrics in the future by making the assumption about the growth margin. After taking the assumption, then forecast the three statement into the future. And forecasting, we have to do the valuation of the company using the DCF method, that is the discounted cash flow. And there are some of the additional analysis should be done like a sensitivity, scenario charts, graph, dashboard for make it attractive and very easily understandable. Now the question comes, what makes a good financial model? So financial model is a simple enough that anyone should understand, yet detailed enough to handle the complex situation. So financial model ऐसा होना चाहिए जो simple होना चाहिए and easy to understand. There should be a no complexity. So these are the point we should keep in mind for what makes a good financial model. Like first of all, there should be it will be a well structure with a good layout and easy to follow and understand. There should be not be complexity and driven in assumption. There should be a clearly assumption, simplicity over complexity. Financial model should be accurate. This is the one of the most important one should keep in mind and focus on the important issue. While creating, there should be a key concern to focus on the important issue to be raised, and it is very simple and easy to understand. So, I think hope you understand what is the financial model, who are the people who build the financial model, and what makes the good financial model. So, thank you. Hope you like it to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.